All right, so we all black.
You sure about that?
Yeah, I think so. Let me see. Let me do a black check real quick. Until they become a cop one day, and well, maybe not in society, obviously, because you got to encounter people wherever you go. But their first real encounter with a black person intentionally might be when they become a police officer, right? Yeah. So you have these preconceived notions. You're quick to think this person's ghetto. This person's gonna shoot me or hurt me, or they're sagging their pants, or you know what I mean. So I think we need to start to. Anyway, never mind. I'm just
No, it's okay to elaborate.
Yeah.
So, sorry, I hear him. So we have to cut that out, but
it's gonna be edited out until you say something funny. Then it's gonna be in a blooper.
Until you say something.
If I smack you, would be in a blooper?
Nope, because I'm gonna have to beat you up.
You gonna be fighting yourself.
And then we both gonna be like Jake Paul and what?
Well, hey.
That was fun. That was childish.
I was like, I got your hat. Before he came out, was a mess. Well, he ain't got no hair.
I was gonna say his hair was a mess.
No, you understand. You know how that feels.
He got the DJ Envy.
Nah, DJ Envy hair look better than that.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna lie. I don't even know why he came out in public like that.
Well, yeah, because especially since we're gonna make the introductory video someday too. So
don't interrupt me when I'm talking.
Hopefully, this video comes out after that video. So at that point, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey everybody, welcome to the first episode of Kitchen Konvos. Today we'll be discussing. Oh shit! What is this time?
Let's talk about.
Can you share this with me? Just so I can see this too. Just because it'd be nice to have that too. You know what the hell?
What's your phone number?
630 37.
What?
37. 37.
Yeah, we're gonna stop this video and start over.
I want to kill them birds outside.
What?
Are you gonna play the actual video?
How do you kill a bird?
We got a bird nest right there.
Yeah,
Just
you wanna stop
move
the
the
video?
nest.
Are we gonna stop this? Can we talk, baby? Can we talk for a minute? That's what you
Say what? Alright. I don't even remember when we.
Right? We were just
Hey,
talking.
come on, man.
I said some pretty good things.
Yeah, you did. But they might have gotten most of them. You might just have to cut it.
So, all right.
I mean, yeah, I'm with you.
Then why you look at me like that?
We gotta start a segment on the show, just trying to find me some love.
Try to do what?
This is like flavor.
You know what? Because
Real chance of love.
sometimes us responsible, respectful dudes get overlooked, and we're here. I'm here to let you know we're here.
That's another conversation.
Can we talk? Black men don't cheat.
We don't.
Okay, that's
A whole lie and another lie and another lie and a half.
Yeah.
now all black men don't cheat. I do agree with that.
Right.
But,
I never cheated one time.
Black boys.
But do you know somebody that has?
Nope.
Lies.
We all faithful.
Lies. Name somebody right now, but I'm not.
What do you got on his head? Okay. I don't cheat, so he pointed at me. That's not me, by the way, because
No,
like I
it's
said, I'm not for these streets.
You were at one point though.
Yeah.
6 years ago.
But I owned up to that, and I moved past that.
I was
Praise
never for the street.
You smart.
You beautiful.
Well, guys,
Okay.
the moral of the story is just be respectful.
No, we had like 2 morals of the story, so that's why I said we could just cut it off. Because
But the moral of the story is be respectful.
I know what you want.
I'm gonna just fade it out. Like we ain't even gonna probably put that last part in. To be honest.
Well, all right.
Yeah, we could just.
Money.
All right, everybody.
Oh my God.